The Urgency of Intersectionality. In this activity, I will ask you to watch Kimberly Crenshaw, a video from 2016, it's a TED Talk, where the author who put the term into academic use discussion shares the importance of understanding intersectionality or multiple forms of identity, which helps us understand who we are, but also helps us understand the way how privilege and oppression works, meaning there is a certain type of identities which we have might create the way how we see oppression and privilege differently. Think about the age, think about the gender, and how you can see it, how culturally it's seen within the group, and how it's seen structurally within society. Is it supported? Is it promoted? Or it's oppressed? As you can do this exercise with social graces from first week, when you listen to the recording, you will notice there is multiple forms of exclusion uh, where people face discrimination and how we can support people, making sure that social welfare policies are accessible, available, adequate. So in this case, particularly, there is a very strong discussion of intersection of race and gender and how it's affect people whose race and gender are perceived uh, to be uh, less than others. And that's where the challenge of identities, when it's perception of um, dominant groups, uh, structures versus those who are oppressed. This is a critical concept for this course because it will allow us to help understand who we are and find ways how we can connect with other people, and at the same time thinking of what we can do to promote services which are accessible, available to all. It is a concept which will understand that we are all interconnected because of multiple identities we have. Some of them can be demonstrating the dominance and providing some privilege which we can have in society, in a community or culture, or individually. Others might put us down. And our goal will be to see what we can do to allow people who are not or who are excluded, who are not part of the decision making process, to allow to make decisions which affects their well-being and be successful in the process of fighting for social justice, advancing social justice, and promoting equity for all. So have a good listen to the talk, and then we'll have a discussion in class on what is intersectionality and how we can learn from it in our future to promote social welfare for all. Have a good watch, and we'll connect in class.